Hello there, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a simple maze game. So first you need two sprites, the maze and the player. You have to draw the maze yourself or download a transparent one online because I can't teach you how to draw a maze. You should be able to do that. But you need to draw a maze in one sprite, and then you also have to have a player sprite. Make it like the size that fits inside the maze. Make a suitable size, like as you can see my player can fit comfortably in these two. Yeah, and also have a player. Don't make it large, like make it this big. And also you can design the player however you want. So let's start. First, when green flag clicked, go to coordinates, whatever its starting coordinates is. Drag it to its starting coordinate and take out this block. You'll immediately take the coordinates of its current location. And now we want to take a repeat until block. This will come at the end of the video. And we want to put if or W is clicked or up arrow is clicked, change Y by, let's say, 3. So I'll go up and let's duplicate this and make it for all directions. So we want to do S or down arrow. So I'm supporting arrow keys movement and WASD movement. And then for S we change Y by -3, and now we do for the X, if it D or right arrow key pressed, change X by 3, and if it is A or left arrow, change X by -3. So let's see that. As you can see, it is moving smoothly, but the problem is it can go through walls, which we don't want. So we have to make a collision detecting block. It has to detect the collision. So what we want to do is under each change by X or Y block, if touching level maze or level, whatever you call this sprite, we want to change it by the opposite of this, the opposite value of 3 in this case. So I'll be changed Y by -3, basically this number multiplied by 1, -1. And for here, -3 multiplied by -1 is 3. So we'll change by 3. Just make sure it's the opposite value. And take it down here. this is x, so we are going to change by x. So this will be -3. Go down here, 3. So let's test that. As you can see, if we can't go through walls, but we can go along a route. Okay, might be colliding too early, but this is downloaded, so yeah, but still it's good enough because it's small enough to fit. So we want to make a win part where when you reach the end you win. So we want to go to the end, wherever the end is, can be anywhere you like, wherever you drawn it. And yeah, let's pick a green color because green makes the most sense. And let's draw a green line. Make this thicker. Okay. This should be good enough. Now click the copy button and delete it. Now we're going to make a new costume and paint it. We're going to name this costume Exit, and we're going to paste it directly and make sure the coordinates are 0, 0, both y0 and both I don't think it copied properly. Okay, I made it better. In the right position. This is not happening to you probably, but might happen to you. You just have to move it a bit. So now we want to make another sprite, paint, and this time is going to be the win background when you win. Make this in the center and make a text like say you win, and make it large enough in the center so that the person playing it can see. And also when green flag clicked, hide. We will show later on. I'll show you how. So repeat until touching exit. And then we want to broadcast, not message one. Well, you can do message one, but like just broadcast something different that suits it. You win. Good. And let's go to the, actually name this you win as well, the sprite. And we want to, what's this show? When green flag clicked, it should be hide. Just replace that. That's a mistake. And when you receive you win, then you show. And also when you win, yeah, this is optional, but you can go to the sound library Scratch has, and you can put like that. Doesn't sound like a clap, but yeah, you can place the play sound clapping until done under the show. and let's test it out. It's working. Now I know the direction, I know how this maze works, so if I can get there quickly. And I win because I made it to the exit. So yeah guys, that's it for this video, and if you want to see more Scratch tutorials, subscribe to this channel and like this video. And yeah guys, that's it for this video, and see you in the next Scratch tutorial. Bye.